In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to set up projects in Descript for seamless team collaboration. If you're new to Descript, you're in the right place, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage this powerful tool for your team's needs. Plus, stay tuned till the end, and I'll share how you can get a free extended trial of Descript with some exclusive bonuses, so keep watching. Let's jump right into it. First, when you open Descript, you'll notice the dashboard. From here, creating a new project is straightforward. Just hit the New Project button, give your project a name, and choose the project type, whether it's for a podcast, video editing, or any other type of media. Now, setting up for team collaboration is where Descript truly shines. When you've created your project, you'll see options to invite team members. Click on the Share button at the top right of the project window, and you'll be able to add collaborators by email. Descript allows you to set different levels of permissions, whether they're editors, reviewers, or admins. This is essential for ensuring everyone on your team has the right access. After you've invited your team, it's time to upload your media. You can easily drag and drop audio, video, or even documents into the project, and Descript will automatically transcribe them. This is incredibly powerful for collaboration because it allows team members to leave comments directly on the transcript, making feedback easier to manage. Speaking of feedback, Descript's comment system is perfect for keeping everyone on the same page. Once you've uploaded your media, you and your team can start annotating the transcript. Just highlight the text, leave your comment, and it's instantly visible to everyone involved. This eliminates the need for endless email chains or shared notes. As your team works, you'll want to organize your media. Descript lets you create folders within the project to keep everything neatly arranged. If you're working on a podcast episode, for example, you can create subfolders for each part of the episode: intro, interview, outro, whatever makes sense for your workflow. This makes it easier for collaborators to find what they need without sifting through a ton of files. Now, if your team is working on video content, Descript's screen recording feature is a great tool. You can record directly within the platform, and your team can instantly access the footage for editing and review. This works seamlessly with Descript's text-based editing, so your team can edit video content just by editing the transcript. Let's not forget about real-time collaboration. Descript allows for live collaboration, meaning your team can work simultaneously within the project. This is perfect for a more fluid workflow where changes are reflected in real time, cutting down on waiting time and improving overall efficiency. Once your team has made the necessary edits and added comments, you can export the project in a variety of formats: audio, video, or even as a subtitle file, making Descript a flexible tool for any media team. And remember, Descript's version history feature is a lifesaver. You can go back and see all changes made by team members, revert to previous versions, and keep track of the entire editing process. To wrap things up, setting up a project in Descript for team collaboration is easy and incredibly efficient. With features like team permissions, real-time collaboration, media organization, and seamless feedback, you can ensure your projects run smoothly every time. If you're ready to dive in, don't forget to check the first link in the description for an exclusive and extended free trial of Descript, plus some special bonuses to get you started. Thanks for watching.